Please lock me up. I'm gonna hit somebody. I'm gonna do something I don't...
Try the desk. Go ahead. Is that why you moved from the last town? Because you're in trouble?
Oh, they think that they can protect me by moving around all the time.
You had a good start in the wrong direction back there. Why'd you do it?
What do you mean? Mess that kid up?
Yeah.
Called me chicken.
And your folks didn't understand?
They never do. They think that I can make friends if we move, see. Just move. Everything will be roses and sunshine.
But you don't think that's the right solution?
Oh, she eats him alive and he takes it.
Things pretty rough for you at home?
At the zoo.
What?
At the zoo. I mean, he always wants to be my pal, you know? But how can I give him anything if he's... Well, I mean, I love him and all that type of stuff, and I mean, I don't want to hurt him. But then I don't know what to do anymore except maybe die. I mean, if he had guts to knock Mom cold once, then maybe she'd be happy and then she'd stop picking on him. Because they make mush out of him. You know, just mush. No, I'll tell you one thing. I don't ever want to be like him.
Chicken?
I bet you see right through me, don't you?